Welcome to this guided meditation. My name is Francis. In the midst of life's ever-increasing demands and the relentless pace of a modern world, it's all too easy to lose sight of the sanctuary that resides within ourselves, a place of profound safety and calm. This guided meditation is your invitation to rekindle that connection, using the soothing sound of a gently flowing brook as your anchor. By the end of this meditation, you'll have created a serene space within yourself where you can always find comfort and peace. Let's embark on this journey together with the intention of rediscovering the peace that resides within you. Begin by finding a quiet and comfortable place to sit. Allow your spine to be straight yet relaxed, and gently close your eyes. I'm using Jnana Mudra for this meditation today, and you're free to join me or choose any hand position that works best for you. To do Jnana Mudra or Chin Mudra, gently touch the tip of your thumb to the tip of your index finger, while extending the other 3 fingers straight. This hand gesture connects your consciousness and wisdom, provides a sense of security and groundedness, removes fears, and balances the root chakra. Take a deep breath in and exhale slowly. Allow yourself to release any tension in your body. Let your breath carry away stress and worries. Starting from your toes, imagine a warm, soothing light moving up through your body. With each breath, this light gently relaxes every muscle, leaving you feeling more and more at ease. Now transport yourself to a serene, secluded place by a gently flowing brook, nestled in the heart of nature. The air carries the scent of the earth, and the gentle sound of the brook surrounds you. Find a comfortable spot beside the creek, whether it's a lush stone or a soft patch of grass. Take a moment to recreate or adapt this space to your liking. You can adjust the colors, the surroundings, and the sensations to create the ideal setting for your tranquility. Everything you need to be comfortable and at peace is right here. Once you've settled in your safe place, take a moment to notice the coolness of the earth beneath you. This is your personal sanctuary, a place where you can always find calm and safety. The brook's melody is your companion, like an old friend. Its gentle sound of the flowing water is soothing your soul. The sun filters through the leaves, creating double patterns of light on the ground. Take a moment to fully immerse yourself in this serene setting. Now focus your attention on the gentle sound of the streaming water. It's a rhythmic and comforting melody, like nature's lullaby. As you listen, Let its soothing tones wash over you. Imagine that with each ripple, the water carries away any lingering stress or tension, leaving you lighter and more at ease. Feel the connection between the gentle flow of the brook and your inner peace. Let its soothing flow wash over your thoughts, calming your mind and grounding you in the present moment. Now I will leave you with some quiet time to fully immerse yourself in the sound, allowing it to work its magic. Take this time of silence to absorb the healing energy of the gentle flow and soft ripples of the stream. This is the flow of life, and connect with the tranquility it offers. As you sit by the brook, cradled in nature's heart, recognize that you have the power to create safety within yourself. Focus your thoughts and imagine a warm protective light emanating from your heart. This light spreads through your entire being, enveloping you in a cocoon of safety and comfort. Feel how this light radiates love, peace, and tranquility. Let it wash away any doubts or fears, leaving you feeling completely secure and at ease. Take a few deep breaths, savoring the sense of safety and calm within you. When you are ready, slowly start to bring your awareness back to the present moment. Wiggle your fingers and toes, and gently blink your eyes open. Know that you can return to this inner sanctuary whenever you need to find comfort and safety within yourself. carry the serenity of this meditation with you throughout your day, knowing that you are always safe and calm in your own body and mind. Thank you for taking this journey of self-care and inner peace with me. My name is Francis. Namaste. If you enjoy this meditation with me, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for your support. See you next time.